Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will be seeing treble crochet stitch or triple crochet stitch. It is same stitch referred by different names, different terms in different places. So let's start the video. This stitch is quite simple to understand. It is very easy. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot followed by chain crochet stitches. If by chance you need to see a slow demonstration for both of them, you can find it in one of my previous videos. Okay, coming back, you can take as much as chain crochet stitches whatever your crochet project is. Once we are done with the chain crochet stitches, we will start any new stitch from the third loop. First, in which our needle is there. Second, we will just skip the loop next to it, and from the third one we will start. For triple crochet, we need 4 loops at once on a needle. One loop is already on a needle. For second and third, we will yarn over twice. And for the fourth one, we will pull yarn from the chain crochet stitch. Okay, now we are getting 4 loops. Now we'll pull a yarn from starting 2 loops. After that, we will pull the yarn from starting 2 loop. Now we are getting 3 loop. Again we will pull our yarn from starting 2 loop. And after that, we are getting 2 loops on the needle. Now we will again pull our yarn both of the loops, and here is our first triple crochet stitch. For this complete row, we will be making all triple crochet stitches by the same way we have done the first one. As we continue with the video, I am thankful to all of them who have subscribed to my channel, and those who have not subscribed to my channel, I will just request you, if you find my video a bit of informative, if it has helped you, please subscribe my channel. That's a request. Okay, let's start. Let's again continue with the video. Please drop a comment in the comment box letting me know whether this video was helpful for you, whether you liked this video. If you have any suggestions for me regarding this video, I will appreciate all of them. Thank you. Once we are done with the last stitch, we will turn a crochet work from left to right. We will just take a yarn from the back side of the crochet work and a needle from the front side. To start with any new row from now onwards, we will first do a chain crochet stitch. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.